One thump in your eye, make it your boy. One thump in your eye. So
driver, you can drop me down a halfway tree?
Yes, nice lady. Come in my car. Lois, I can't believe I take other taxi. No, say me run taxi, Lois.
No, Super. Super is not what it look like, Super. Super, show me know you don't get the red plate yet, Super.
Lois, I can't believe what it is to me. I can't believe it, Lois.
Super!
Super!
Order in the court, please. Our first case today is against Mr. First name Super, last name Man. Is Mr. Man here? Mr. Man?
Sorry to be late, Your Honor, but me catch me girl go in a taxi man car.
Well, Mr. Man, other than you running robot taxi without a red plate, this young man over here have a case against you, sir. This young man is saying after him take your taxi and him keep telling you to pull over because him well want do. You didn't pull over, Mr. Man. And the young man is saying from that day him have really bad gas that him cannot get out. How what smell, sir?
Oh, what a smell!
Oh, you officer. Going to the courthouse to see if my man alright. He named Super. See me, ah?
Boy, I really can't take the fart smeller. Me have to go buy some weed for calm my nerves. Soup!
Super!
Excuse me while I light my spirit.
High grade round here, so. High grade weed.
Soup!
Yo, my youth, what kind of weed me say you over yourself?
You can't manage my weed, youth. What you want?
Dog, me say what kind of weed you sell?
You know, hear me say you can't manage my blood clot weed.
Boy, I'm slap you in your chest. Me say what kind of weed you have? Give me the highest grade.
Pussy, what are you do? Chuck me? High grade weed you want? Alright, take weed. Take weed, boy.
Oh, what is? Yo, what kind of weed this dog?
Crypto blood clot night. Beat out the blood clot. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
come round with them butterfly. Just reply with a fist like a piece of ply. And a one thump in your eye, make it your boy. One thump in your eye. So when some guy come round, come and watch and a spy. Just reply with a fist like a piece of ply. And a one thump in your mouth, make your teeth jump out and go in your throat.
Wait, me bat hand now work.
You know some I go kill a ras, right?
Hold on, dog. Hold on. Me sorry, dog. You know if you bother pay for the weed.
No, Super. Not kill him, Super. Me know why you got jail, Super.
Yo, somebody shut up that 9 girl left for me now. Hey girl, you can't chat, sir. Come on, man.
Super!
Saba.